Hello friends, how are you all? It's very nice to be with all of you all once again. Friends, when I did the previous video where I had showed you how to make tea using the Ayurvedic method, the Japanese method and the Chinese method. A friend of mine contacted me and he sent a message to me and he said, Chef, now there are people who do not drink tea. Of course, as we know, a lot of people are they are allergic to caffeine. They don't like caffeine, so and they don't want to have sugar. So he wants a drink which basically is without caffeine, without sugar, and it should be an energy drink. So it set me thinking, and I was on the lookout for an ingredient which I could use to make this particular drink in a unique manner. So today morning when I was out for my little jog and a little activity, so what did I see? This is the ingredient that I've been looking for. So, and using this ingredient I can make a drink. I can make not one drink, but I can make many drinks which are going to be more healthy than tea. They will not have caffeine, they will not have sugar, they will have more medical benefits, Ayurvedic benefits, they'll be probiotic, they'll be metabolism catalyst, they will be energy level boosting drink, and they would have more vitamin C in it. They will be more freshening than tea. So this was the ingredient that clicked with me. On the way back, I carried with myself one coconut. So I said, let's use this as the main ingredient to make the no caffeine, no sugar energy drink for the morning, which will replace our normal tea also. So this will be our main ingredient. Now, along with the coconut, what we'll do is we'll add ginger juice. Now, ginger juice I have taken is of that's a half-inch ginger stick. I have extracted the juice from that. It's a very good ingredient to promote instant energy, as it promotes circulation. It kickstarts your metabolism. So that is why I have included ginger juice. Now, along with that, I have taken is 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric. You may use turmeric, you may not use turmeric, that's up to you. Turmeric, again, it raises your energy level. Okay, so that is why these two have been included, and along with that, cardamom, crushed cardamom, and again that is about half a teaspoon. Now, why cardamom has been included is because it boosts your energy. That's number one. And again, like ginger, it improves your circulation of the blood. So that is why I have taken these three ingredients. Along with that, lemon juice. Now, lemon juice, as we all know, friends, vitamin C, number one. And number two, it freshens you. It kickstarts all your glands of the body, the 11 glands. So all the hormones start flowing, and this combination then becomes a very, very, very good energy drink. So you can replace your tea with this. As you see, there is no caffeine in this, there is no sugar in this. And as far as coconut is concerned, dear friends, you can go back to the video where I had I was talking about ulcer. I have taken in detail about coconut. You can have a look at the coconut there. And I'm going to cut this hole open so that I can bring out the coconut water from the coconut and then we use it. So there I invert and I'm going to leave this till the time the water comes out, and along with that I have kept some lemon also. So now coconut is, as I was saying, is the purest form, is the most filtered water on earth. Nothing better than this. Imagine water going into the earth, sucked up by the root, going 40 feet, and it is all being filtered right from the time it is going into the earth. It is being filtered, going into the root, it is being filtered, going up the stem, it is being filtered, and at a height of 40 feet, 45 feet, maybe around that much, and then it comes into the coconut, and this coconut forms. It takes about 9 months. 9 months, yes, it takes 9 months for this coconut to be formed. So imagine how filtered this water is. And as I had mentioned in the earlier video, by the time the coconut water drips, it is still dripping, friends. Look at this. See, so much of the water has already come and it is still dripping. So let the water drip out. And coconut is also a no waste ingredient, because you can use this coconut after the water has come. You can crack this coconut open and you can take out the white flesh. That can be eaten direct. It can be merged into beaten into this water also. It can be used in your curry, in your gravy. It can be used anywhere. So that is as far as the coconut is concerned. So you can of course go back, in case you have ulcer or acidity, you can go back to my earlier video that is on ulcer, how to beat ulcer using coconut. So that much of water has come and is empty. So now for the next step. Very simple. All we do is take the ginger juice and drop it into the coconut water. One. Take the cardamom and drop it into, you can use cardamom powder also. You can use it in any, that would be, or if you have cardamom at home. So what I have done is, look at this. I have split open the cardamom, taken the seeds out and crushed the seeds. That's what I have done. So that is as far as the cardamom is concerned. Now as far as the lemon, as I said, I already have a lemon thread inside it. Want to see it? Sure, why not? So there is the lemon thread. This is the lemon thread that I have already put inside. So there it is. That is for more effective fusion. So, and juice of 2 lemons, because I like the flavor strong, so I have taken 2 lemons. You can take increase or decrease as per as your wish. So there we are. Turmeric remaining. Now turmeric is your choice, whether you want to add or you don't want to add. That will be your choice. So friends, that's done. You can have it now also. You can transfer it to your fridge and cool it or chill it. You can drop some ice cubes also into it and you can have it. This is as far as the morning is concerned. So this is a drink for you in the morning. Imagine that what this drink is giving you. It is probiotic. It is antibiotic. it is increasing your circulation of the blood, it is increasing the metabolism, it is kick-starting your metabolism. And vitamin C, imagine, freshening, and vitamin C helps absorb minerals, vitamins and nutrients into your body from your food. So imagine what this drink is. So you can have it like this also, one, or I'm going to take a tray and I'm going to take this and I'm going to drop our drink into these slots and I'm going to freeze them. There goes our beautiful combination of a vodka cocktail also, and a very energetic and a very pure and a very good cocktail. So friends, as I don't drink, I am going to carry on with my morning drink. So you try it. You try this recipe also and you try the other recipe also, and tell me in the comments as to how you liked it. And till the time we meet again with another healthy, organic recipe. Cook healthy, eat healthy, live healthy.